Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Haughton local and long-distance movers near me. While shifting to a long distance, the major concern is safety of your belongings. And if you are planning to shift on your own without any prior experience, then safety of your products will be at risk. You might injure yourself, injure your loved ones, or even damage your own belongings while shifting. And most importantly, to make a long-distance shift, movers require certain permits and licenses to cross state lines or country lines. Thankfully, our professional moving firm, 3 Movers, has an extensive team of movers with more than 20 years of experience. They are qualified and trained enough to handle all types of products and share good working relationship with local federal association, so they have provided us permits. So, it has become easy for us to conduct a long-distance or international shift without further legalities. Even if you are moving locally, make sure that you hire a professional mover like 3 Movers. Our moving firm has a same-day shifting policy, which helps save time and cost affordable too. And keeping a professional approach with our clients, we mention our charges beforehand. That helps clients take more informed judgment and plan their budget accordingly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Haughton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.